How's everybody doing? This is Alex again with CaceresRealty. We're looking at another property here in Douglasville. It's an investment property for a client. Listing price right now is at $220, $225. We're about to take a walkthrough. Let's take a look. What we're doing here is we're running these showers, and that's how we found out that that leak was there. What we would do is we would get permits to be able to close these two garage doors in. We would build our bedrooms on this side. So our front entrance to this apartment would be around the backyard. A kitchen over here in this corner on that side. So we could turn this unit into a three bedroom, 2-bath on the bottom. So permits would be relatively easy to pull. Obviously we would have to structure everything to where utilities would be accessible for both units. And then you can rent a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on the top. And then this would be a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on the bottom. After we walked the property, some of the things that we noticed, driveway was awesome. Driveway is like 6-car driveway. So you have 3 cars per unit. We have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on the top and a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on the bottom. We think conservatively, at minimum, we can get $1,500 a month for both units. So that puts us at $3,000 a month. We're estimating probably around 75 to 100 in repairs. So if we have to put down, let's say 20%, so it would be at around 240 financed. I would say off the top of my head, our mortgage is going to be around, let's say go $1,600 a month. We're still bringing in $12,000 a year. $12,000 a year at 60, we're at around 20% cash flow. If you're interested in learning how I found my first deal, why I moved to Georgia to build wealth through real estate in the first place, I'm dropping that story next Monday. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.